Good Thursday options expiration week. Steve Jobs finally admits his health is failing more severely. Good thing he's got $30 million in cash, $30 billion, in a cash hoard. He's going to need it to fight lawsuits over the next few years after the debacle his and his firm handled here. Let's see, the pivot on the S&P today is around 840.5. We've bumped up on it 3 times overnight, sold off every time. Know your pivots, traded accordingly. There's been some nice trades there overnight. That chart over my shoulder there, you see the 2 humps, is the SPX going back to 2000. You see that when George Bush came into office, we were just about to peak in the stock market. The stock market peaked. He took office January of 2000. The market peaked March of 2000. We are now going to that second leg, if you will, of the M or of the neck. Are we going to go lower or are we going to bounce higher? That's yet to be determined. I'm not going to be the one that's guessing on that. My guess is we'll probably see new lows at some time over the Obama career here. But it's interesting to note that W saw the highs of the stock market and the lows of really the last 15 years. And that's his legacy right there as far as the financial world is concerned. So let's take a look at the market again after today. We've got expiration tomorrow. You've got, again, continuing bad news on the Bank of America side. They're looking for a bailout of the deal that they did with Merrill Lynch. You've got a continuing push on all the stock market. So, again, I'm not bullish today unless we start trading over 845 or so at some point today. Otherwise, I would be selling all these rallies that we continue to go up to. There's no point in trying to, fight it. The trend is your friend, of course, from a trading perspective. And yesterday we had a decent day. It was not an easy day because I said in the morning, right as we opened at 8:53, that we easily could see the 832 level, and we happened to see that right there in 35 minutes. So I was not short for that first 20-point drop. I don't typically trade the open. I just had a feeling about it that we were going to see that 832. That happened to be a key support level, and we hit it right there in 30 minutes. From there, we bounced, sold off again, and we did capture some on that sell, but it wasn't anything significant. It was a nice day. We made 3 or 4 spook points on one trade. It wasn't a bunch of trades. It was a slow day of sitting on our hands. Today, hopefully, we'll get some more volatility. It's interesting, the volatility was up, but volatility is a measurement of put buying, and there clearly has been some put buying out there in the marketplace, some protection. Hey, we're due for a bounce. We've got Monday, we've got the holiday. I don't think anybody wants to come in long right now into the weekend, but we shall see if we can get a rally going. Oil is down again, and we will talk here soon. Have a great day. Trade smart, and George W. Bush, again, only 4 days left, so it was good knowing you, and have a great life down there in your library at Southern Methodist.